Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Okay, today we are going to continue our topic transportation, the circulatory system. Before class we discussed up to double circulatory system. Now let us discuss about the differences between arteries and veins. Okay, the differences between arteries and veins. Okay, this is very important question for the 4 marks. Okay, the differences between arteries and veins. First of all, basically after blood's vessels and circulation we have the diagrams of arteries and veins, but so you see in the textbook it is very clear. In the board it will be not clear as much as in textbook. Okay, I will discuss the parts in these differences also. Some parts will maybe come. So some points we will discuss in the differences also about the structure. Okay, first of all, arteries are made up of elastic fibrous tissue. This is in the structure only. You will see this elastic fibrous tissue in the structure of the arteries, which is given in your textbook, and veins are made up of tough fibrous tissue. So it is made up of elastic fibrous tissue and veins are made up of tough fibrous tissue. Arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. So this is a difference which does not include pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Okay, while we make another difference with the same point with the pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. In the arteries, pulmonary artery carries oxygenated blood. So pulmonary vein is carrying deoxygenated blood. Okay, pulmonary artery carrying oxygenated and pulmonary vein carrying deoxygenated blood. Yes. Now arteries, walls are absent in arteries. So walls are absent in arteries and walls are present in veins. We already discussed in the before experiments that walls are present in veins and walls are absent in arteries. Yeah. Now arteries have less inner diameter. And veins have more inner diameter. We will observe this in the structure. Okay, it has less inner diameter and it has more inner diameter. We will observe this in the structure of the arteries and veins. Now, okay, the space is not sufficient in the video. Now I explain orally. These are the 5 differences, and I will say orally, you will note down the remaining differences. So these are the 5 important differences between arteries and veins. Okay. So there are so many differences between arteries and veins. Okay. Arteries are further divided into arterioles. Okay. We already discussed this in the blood capillaries, that arteries are further divided into arterioles and veins are further divided into venules. Okay. Veins are further divided into venules. Arteries are 3 types. So arteries are 3 types: systemic artery, pulmonary artery and coronary artery. And veins are 4 types: superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, pulmonary vein and coronary vein. Now 7 differences are over. Let us make one more difference. Okay. Okay, let us make one more difference. Arteries are discovered by William Harvey and veins are discovered by Girolamo Fabrizi. These are 8 differences which we need for 4 marks. We have so many differences, not only this. It has blood pressure low and it has pressure high. It is one more difference. So these are the 7, 8, 9 differences between arteries and veins. So 5 are sufficient in the board. I will explain orally about the differences. Okay, these are the differences between arteries and veins. Now we will discuss about the cardiac cycle, which is very, very important. Okay. Okay, friends. I will discuss about cardiac cycle. Okay, now we will discuss about cardiac cycle. First of all, our heart starts beating from our 21st day of embryo stage. Okay. 21st day of embryo stage. Our heart starts beating from 21st day of embryo stage, and when our heart stops beating, what happens? It occurs to death. Okay, that's right. Now, what is exactly mean cardiac cycle? The contraction and relaxation of our auricles and ventricles of the heart is called cardiac cycle. Once again, the contraction and the relaxation of our heart means our auricles and ventricles, not heart, auricles and ventricles is called cardiac cycle. In cardiac cycle, there are many stages. There are many stages involved in the contraction and the many stages involved in relaxation. Now, let us see the stages. First of all, relaxation stage, not exactly relaxation, just relaxation of auricles. Okay. Relaxation of auricles. What is meant by this relaxation of auricles means? We have 4 chambers, as we know that. We have 4 chambers in the heart: right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. See, carefully listen. When the 2 pairs of auricles relaxes, first of all, the 2 pairs of auricles relaxes, the blood from the body parts reaches to the auricles. Okay, the blood from the body parts, remaining body parts, reaches to the heart, which is auricles, right auricle and left auricle. So which auricle is here is important. First of all, take right auricle. Let us recall the arteries and veins. Which veins are carrying to the right auricle? Auricles means veins only. Ventricles means arteries. So veins are only the capillaries carrying to auricles. Which vein is carrying? Let us remember: superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. So these are carrying which blood? Deoxygenated blood to right auricle, right? These are carrying deoxygenated blood to right auricle, and pulmonary vein carrying oxygenated blood from lungs to. So these are carrying for body parts. Pulmonary vein is carrying oxygenated blood from lungs to left auricle. Let us hear lungs to left auricle. Which vein? Pulmonary vein. So we conclude that in the relaxation of auricles, in the relaxation stage, the auricles are filled with blood. Both right auricle and left auricle are filled with blood. We conclude here. Okay, let us stop here in this video. In the next video, we will discuss about the next stages of cardiac cycle. Okay, friends, please like our video and please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video.